Kyla, who is a defender, and then the other twins, the Burks twins for RIT, both healthy scratches today, so you won't see them. O'Donohoe, wrister, she scores! Too easy for Caitlin O'Donohoe. And it's 3-1 Colgate here in the second. We'll regroup now. Serdachny cycles through with McEachern, down low, deflection, rebound! Colgate scores, it's Kaltinkova! Here today, Schneider tripped up, no whistle. Raiders into the zone, though, Simpson, bar down! Deflects to the glass. 5-1 Raiders, 16-16 to go, make it 6-1! Delaney Mackay finishes it off after the slap. Pitch and catch, Bard. Left wing circles, Migliani sent it in front and Demers the rifle home. That's just how you draw it up.